Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to verify my identity on Revolut. Watch until the end to avoid mistakes. Let's get started. Where do I submit my proof of identity? If Revolut needs you to provide proof of identity, you'll receive an email, push notification and see a banner on your in-app home screen. Simple tap and follow any notification Revolut sent you about your verification, or follow this link. If you don't see any prompts for this information in-app, check your emails. Maybe Revolut already have everything of need. How long do I have to submit my proof of identity? If Revolut reach out to you, will give a deadline for you to provide a new document. Your account should remain fully functional until this deadline. After the deadline, your account may be temporarily restricted until you can provide a supported document that meets all necessary criteria. Guidelines. Supported documents will be listed on the in-app submission screen. Revolut only accepts unexpired documents. The name on the document must match the name on your Revolut account. If your nationality is different from your current residential address, you may be asked for proof of address or other documents. Documents upload tips. Update your Revolut app to the latest version. Make sure the document is clear and readable. Capture the entered document. Don't fault, crop or exclude any part of the document. Upload a photo of the physical document. Revolut can't accept pictures taken of copies, scans or device screens. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.